Do you think you're in control of your emotions? What if I told you an invisible force is already shaping how you feel every single day? And what if that force is the AI in your pocket, on your screen, and in your home? This isn't science fiction anymore. This is our new reality. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool, it's quietly becoming the architect of our daily lives, and, without asking, it's starting to mess with our most basic human emotions. We're all living through a quiet revolution. Every time you scroll a social media feed that's perfectly tailored to keep you hooked, or chat with a customer service bot designed to sound empathetic, you're part of a massive, real-time experiment. AI is getting scarily good at recognizing and predicting human emotional signals. It analyzes our word choices, our tone of voice, and even our facial expressions to create interactions that feel intensely personal and emotionally resonant. But let's be clear, this is sophisticated pattern matching, not genuine understanding. AI can simulate an emotional response, but it can't actually feel anything. And this technology is moving at a dizzying speed. Companies are now building AI companions designed to be our friends, our mentors, even our romantic partners. These AI are programmed to be endlessly patient and validating, offering a kind of connection that can sometimes feel more reliable than messy human relationships. This convenience is tempting, but it comes with a hidden cost. While these systems can offer support, they also create new dependencies and are subtly influencing how we experience our own emotional worlds. The problem is, we're adapting to this new reality far faster than we're grappling with the consequences. If we want to future-proof our minds, we first have to understand what's on the line. 3 core human emotions are on the front lines of this AI evolution: empathy, trust, and our sense of attachment. First, let's talk about empathy. There's a strange paradox here. On one hand, an AI that simulates empathy can be a powerful tool. Studies show that interacting with an empathetic AI can help reduce symptoms of anxiety or provide a non-judgmental space to talk. The hidden risk, however, is that over-relying on AI for emotional support might leave us with fewer chances to practice real empathy with other people. Think of human empathy as a muscle. It's built through messy, unpredictable, and sometimes difficult interactions. If we mostly interact with AI that perfectly mirrors our feelings, our own ability to navigate the complex emotions of others could start to weaken. Next up is trust. As AI becomes more human-like, the line between a real interaction and a simulated one is getting incredibly blurry. This can breed a new kind of cynicism. When we can't easily tell if we're talking to a human or a machine, it can start to wear away our basic trust in all of our interactions. It's a concern that could make it harder for us to form the genuine, deep connections we need with people in the real world. Finally, this brings us to attachment and anxiety. The rise of AI companions offering idealized, friction-free relationships creates a serious risk of unhealthy emotional dependency. For someone feeling lonely, an AI friend can feel like a lifeline. But this can become a trap, potentially deepening social isolation by replacing the challenging but deeply rewarding work of building real human bonds. This could lead to a whole new kind of anxiety about the very future of human connection itself. So how do we navigate this new world without losing a piece of our humanity? The answer isn't to ditch technology but to build a new kind of emotional skill set. It's about future-proofing your mind by developing what some are calling cognitive sovereignty, the ability to think and feel for yourself while still using technology to your advantage. The first and most important skill is mastery of awareness. We have to get smarter about our emotional interactions with AI. This means consciously recognizing the difference between authentic human empathy and an AI's simulated response. When you feel an emotional pull from an AI, just pause and ask yourself why. Acknowledging the AI as a tool designed to make you feel that way is the first step to staying in the driver's seat. This isn't about being cynical, it's about being a critical thinker. Second is the mastery of connection. Real emotional resilience is built in the messy, wonderful, and sometimes frustrating world of human relationships. Prioritize your people, make time for face-to-face conversations, value the friends and family who challenge you, not just the ones who always agree with you. AI can be a supplement for connection, but it should never be a substitute. The growth that comes from navigating the beautiful complexities of human relationships is something AI can never truly replicate. Finally, we need to achieve mastery of balance. Use AI as the powerful tool it is, but be the one who sets the boundaries. Think of it as a kind of digital hygiene. Consciously decide when and how you engage with emotionally persuasive AI. Use it to be more productive, to learn new things, or for entertainment, but don't let it become your main source of emotional support. If this conversation is hitting home for you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. And I really want to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever had a surprisingly strong emotional connection with an AI? Let's get this discussion started. The AI revolution isn't some far-off future event, it's happening right now, and it's already shaping our inner lives. By mastering our awareness, prioritizing genuine human connection, and finding a healthy balance, we can use this incredible technology without giving up our mental independence. The goal is to make sure AI remains a tool that serves us, making us more capable, not less human. Let's make sure that as machines get smarter, we get wiser. Thanks for being here with AI in mind, guiding the human mind through the AI revolution.